Hello everyone, I'm Daiki PH. First of all, I want share my pet's cat and make a garden with little kid Fusion and David. Hi guy, you are first time to say my channel, like, comment, subscribe, don't forget. Eggs versus Mama Duck is wonderful duck in my house. Duck is very delicious food in the world. Mama Duck go over the ground to find the food. Baby Duck, Mama, I'm hungry, I need the food, please give Mom. The staying inside the cage is the important. You can stay there, nobody go out because the people we cats don't leave me cat, that's why stay in the cages. Babies cats, I want to go outside. Cows, I want to meet the other. Mama, wake up please, I want you Mom. Jingle bells sing on my way, but boother me, I want dance with myself. Ma, what I need water and my food. Mommy, I want to eat fish. But is moving head fish I can't eat. Cows is not cook already. Mom, the fish. Let's play guys, want touch this toys. No. And oh, my mom will get you angry. Yes, I'm free, I want to the mirror in wall. I'm pretty mouse. Okay guys, small cat takes a picture, smiles. My cat's wearing the hat, very likely to smile. Mom's to glaze to say my face. Mom, someday please bring me groom, I want short hair. Looking prit. Oh no, sorry, I want make wee wee. Sorry guys, forge me my butt attitude. Mommy dog give the milk to her kids. Mom's is very delicious milk. Mom, sorry moms, I bet your skin. Cows, I'm hungry. Moms. The white rats, small rats is lucky charm in this house. Cows, so guys, if have pets to your house is blessings to grow your business. Other people I want take the house is thinking is very beaut. Oh no, snake, I want to kill you. You go away from me, if catch you, my ground is cleared. Romana, oh lalaha Romana, that's my favorite cut, so very cute. I'm Gideon, this is my dog Brune. My dog very lucky for because always follow me. Like I said, Brune, please come and bring me one of my toy. The green mango in the mountain is tasted good, the other mango red is Vernice sweet. The people don't eat too much mango ripe because of diabetic is getting high blood sugars. Do guy don't eat too. Squash and leaves is good to our eyes, eating healthy. The squash too much people said good for the eyes, eating 3 times awake. Panic bat cooking mix eggplant, vegetables and okra and long beans. The baby bombo shuts is good vegetables, meds, dry fish, simple vegetables. Guys, maintain eat properly of vegetables. For longer life, stay healthy. And no sickness, feeling good lifestyles.
Love farm. Hello. Ano?
Hello po, good morning. Nandito po kami sa maliit na farm namin. Yan po si David.
Ito po ang tag-15 na Mayana.
Okay,
Bili na po
sir.
kayo, may na. Yun po ang rose namin. Ito po ang rose namin. Maganda po siya.
Maganda po.
May na po. Magdiri ang dagwa. May na po kayo. Ito po ang binibenta na Mayana.
Ito yung halaman na paswerte sa garden. Ayan po si David. Tinutor niya kami sa kanyang garden. Garden tour. Ayan. Pa yan. Tumong ka sa gitna. Doon o, dito ka. Yan to o, yung panghalo sa kanin ba yan? Pandan. Yan. Ambulansya ha?
Parang ambulansya lang po. Tagpipiti.
Yan.
Ayun na po.
David.
Ito pong strawberry.
Oh, strawberry.
Barberry.
Strawberry. Plant. Yan ang namumunga.
Bubunga po to. Ito po ang yellow na Mayana. Tagpi-50 lang din po. Ayun na po.
Ito po yung Mayana flowers. Pag bumili kayo dito, pasyal-pasyal lang kayo dito sa Tumana. Yan guys. Yung Maika Farm. Maika Farm ba? Yan, sige Jun.
Hello po.
Bili na kayo sa mga
Bili
bulak.
na po kayo sa mga halaman dito. 50-50, mga 100 po.
Ito guys, ito yung papaswerte sa bahay. Pag meron kayo niyan, binibenta po ito. Subukan yung mamasal dito.